Good afternoon, third standard. How are you all? Today we're going to learn something called quantifiers. Okay, quantity, quantity പറയുന്നത് അതാണ് quantifiers. Okay, so yesterday we looked at sum and any. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ ടീച്ചർ പറഞ്ഞു uncountable nouns are where there is no s in the end. Example, water. Countable nouns which you can count and they will have s in the end, or singular aanacha apple, plural aanacha apples. Okay, so adana countable, uncountable. And then so the certain quantifiers can be used for both countable and uncountable. Okay, so much and a little is used for uncountable. Many and a few is used for countable. Many apples, a few apples, much milk, a little milk. A lot of and plenty of can be used for both. Okay. Now, this is the tricky part. The tricky part is to know where to use what. Affirmative പറഞ്ഞാൽ positive sentence. ഉണ്ട് അങ്ങനത്തെ sentences. Negative പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇല്ല എന്നുള്ള sentence. Isn't, aren't. Okay. And interrogative പറഞ്ഞാൽ question. You're asking question. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ടീച്ചർ question mark ഇട്ടത്. Okay. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ it says positive countable ആണെച്ചാൽ a lot of, plenty of. Positive uncountable ആണെച്ചാൽ a lot of, plenty of. Okay. So it's the same. Negative countable answer many, negative uncountable answer much. Interrogative countable answer many, interrogative uncountable answer much. എങ്ങനെ ഓർമ്മ വരിക എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത്? അപ്പോൾ ടീച്ചർ രണ്ട് ചാർട്ടിനെയും കൂടിയിട്ട് കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് I have made it like this. Now, what is this? Uncountable, കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്തത്. Countable, കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. This is countable and uncountable. Now the green ones are positive sentences. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ടീച്ചർ അതിനെ green color കൊടുത്തത്. Red ones are negative sentences. ഇല്ല. And ഒരു question mark ഉണ്ട് redil. അപ്പോൾ it either can be used for a negative or a question mark. Okay. Now this part I would like you to write it in your notebook. I'll send it to you separately. And ഈ different colors വെച്ചിട്ട് തന്നെ നിങ്ങളത് write ചെയ്യണം. Only then you will remember which is negative, which is positive, and which is, of course, question mark. Now, for instance, we're going to do we're going to do this. Okay. Okay. So they have given a box full of quantifiers: many, much, a lot of, plenty of, a little, a few. Okay, and we have to fill it in these blanks. The first one, they have already done it for us. There are a lot of sweets in the bowl. Okay. Now, when you see a sentence, you must first make sure whether it's a positive sentence or a negative sentence or a question mark. What is this? It's a positive sentence. And what is it? Is it a countable or uncountable? It is a countable now. Okay. So look at your chart. Countable and positive. Okay. Countable and positive. A lot of. Plenty of. You see? That is what they have used here. let's see the next one. This one will make sense. There aren't dash sandwiches left. Aren't. So what is it? It is a negative one. Okay. So immediately when you think of negative, you should think of the red ones. Which are the red ones in the chart? Many and much. Okay. Now you should know whether it is a countable or uncountable one. So go back to your sheet. There aren't sandwiches. So what does that mean? It's countable. Okay. Or rather plural also. There aren't many. Countable many. So what will we write here? Many. Sorry, that's the only way I can write. Okay, so we have used up many also. There's dash water left. Okay, so it is a positive one. They are not saying aren't or is not or anything. It's a positive one and it is a uncountable. So which one will it be? It's a positive one, so it's a green, and it is uncountable. So it can be a little or it can be a lot, plenty of. Okay, so let's look. There's um, a little water left or plenty of water left. Okay, so either of those can be used here. But let's see which ones are left and then we'll come back to it. There's dash ice cream left in the tub. Okay, again, this is a positive sentence, and ice cream is again uncountable. So we can use, say, a little, uh, little, L-E. Okay, this is what I've used, a little. So I can use plenty of here. Plenty of. Now, if we didn't have a box and a choice, it doesn't really matter whether you write there's a little water left, there's plenty of water left, there's plenty of ice cream left. But just look, the ice cream tub only little bit is there, so I've written there's a little ice cream left. Okay, there isn't, again negative, there isn't. So what is the negative one? All these. And what is the countable or uncountable? Pizza. Okay, so that means it's uncountable. So which one will we use? There isn't much pizza left. Okay, so we write much. This is also gone. This is also gone. Now there are dash chips left. Okay, now go back here. It's a positive one, and chips countable, so a few. So right, and of course that's the only one left in that box. Even then we got our answer. Okay, that's how you do it. So first look whether it's a positive, negative, or even a question mark, and then look whether the noun is countable or uncountable. Go back to your page, look at this, look at the colors, and then you fill it in. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you this. Okay. It's easier because they have given you a choice. I want you to again give me only the answers. A, many, B, whichever the answer is, just the answers, but read the sentence. There aren't negative Anna, so many crisps in this packet. Okay, so just send me the answers. Don't write the sentences. Understand it? Okay. And um, write this neatly with the colors in your notebook. All right. Okay. So that's it for today. Have a lovely day. Enjoy yourself. And I'll see you later. Bye. Jai Hind.